Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'd like to answer a follower question about Instagram accounts.
What's the minimum age to have an Instagram account?
Many people do not realize that social platforms have a minimum age requirement, especially as Instagram doesn't actually ask you for a date of birth at the point of registration. This minimum age is to keep minors safe, and to prevent them from seeing things that young eyes should not see. It is also to protect the social platform itself, for a range of reasons, including personal information laws. What is the minimum age to have an Instagram account? On Instagram, and also on Facebook because Instagram is owned by Facebook, the minimum age requirement is 13. Instagram's terms of use state this.
Who can use Instagram? You must be at least 13 years old.
And in the Help Center, there is a section that states this.
Instagram requires everyone to be at least 13 years old before they can create an account. In some jurisdictions, this age limit may be higher.
Are there any exceptions to this minimum age rule? Actually, yes, there are exceptions to this rule. Someone can have an Instagram account if they are under the age of 13 providing the bio very clearly states that it is managed by a parent or manager. This is also covered in the Help Center of Instagram. What happens if someone under the age of 13 has an Instagram account? Instagram does a fairly good job of keeping under 13s from being on the platform, but it doesn't pick up every single account that violates the terms of use. If Instagram believes that an account belongs to someone under the age of 13, it will ask the account owner to verify that they meet the minimum age requirements. If the account owner cannot do this, Instagram will delete the account completely. Users of Instagram are encouraged to report accounts that appear to be owned by people under the age of 13. There is even a designated form for it, found in the Instagram Help Center. Important warning. Violating Instagram's terms of use, for whatever reason, and having your account banned, could prevent you from having accounts again in the future. All platforms have some sort of ban evasion process. This process ensures that someone who has been banned from a platform can't just start a brand new account, with another username, email address, or other details. If you would like to read through the community guidelines and terms and conditions for Instagram, I've popped direct links to everything I've mentioned in this video, in the description below. I know it's very boring stuff, but you might be surprised by just how many guidelines you're violating by accident. I'm going to talk about that in another video, so don't forget to subscribe if you're interested in learning more. I hope you found this video useful today. But please let me know if you have any questions, or would like to suggest another video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more social media marketing and content creation tips and tricks. Have a fabulous day.